In Pakistan, where the production of athletic shoes emphasizes high-quality materials, the processing threshold is relatively high due to limitations in technology and cost. Today, this powerful workshop has overcome numerous difficulties to become the first private enterprise in the area to take the plunge and use whole cowhides as the material for athletic shoes. This makes them a relatively luxurious product, so the finished shoes are likely only affordable to Pakistanis with considerable financial resources. The raw materials will first use special molds are made to cut various shapes, and different types of leather are also processed into various shapes. These molds are all meticulously designed by highly paid stylists hired by the workshop. Each piece of leather is then precisely sewn according to the firing position. The sewing workshop has the most manpower. As the most tedious process in production, only with sufficient manpower can the company's production capacity reach its expected target. There should be a post where I found photos of the sewing workshop today. Without the help of Master Ba Mei, it's truly a multi-talented athlete. When Neng, foot on the sewing machine, is unstoppable. Because the uppers of the sneakers produced today are a patchwork design, although the workload is considerable, with the cooperation of many of the assembly is quickly nearing completion. The aluminum alloy shoelace guide rings are now also simultaneously. Locking is done to ensure the upper is firmly secured for easy subsequent production of the sole's power supply location, requiring a ring of cotton thread to be sewn in. Then comes the assembly. The workstation secures the shoe upper to the shoe last for the vulcanized chicken. Because the upper is pre-sewn with a tightening seam and positioning points are pre-drilled on the mold, the assembly work becomes very simple. Just pull and snap to lock it in place. Old Ba, who works here? Relatively speaking, it's quite easy. In the adjacent vulcanization workshop, because the equipment is running at maximum speed, the few workers here have to operate at full power to ensure that none of the molds are missing anything. To enhance customer comfort during wear, the sole is utilized to different materials. The side closer to the foot uses a more resilient foam material, while the side closer to the ground requires increased abrasion resistance. These two materials work together to provide customers with the most comfortable wearing experience. After material addition is complete, the locking mechanism is tightened. The rotating platform automatically controls the heating temperature during operation. Once rotated to the outlet position, the sole is ready for use. Okay, the fluidization process is complete. Now the foam sole is perfectly integrated with the leather upper, ensuring a smooth and comfortable fit without any issues like glue separation during exercise. The finished shoe design looks very novel and will definitely be popular with local trendsetters once it hits the market. Excess edges are cleaned using specialized equipment. Before packaging, a specialist is arranged to clean the shoes. To prevent oil stains from affecting sales, the shoes are finally sold at a high price. After meticulous packaging and boxing, the product can be directly sold to specialty stores.